Hello everyone, my name is Elenora Pire Koten, NPM 2020-125-0009. Now I will practice vowel sound. Let's start. E. Lovely. The weather is lovely today. E. Secret. Tell me your secret. U. Foot. My right foot hurt. U. Fruit. I try to eat lots of fruit to stay healthy. Ah, star. The race is about star. Ah, blood. He had blood on his face. Oh, bone. The family bone is very important to them. Oh, store. Let's check out the store. A. Common. This is a common mistake people make. Happen. Many accidents happen when it rains. Around. I left home around 10 p.m. Journey. The journey will take about 40 miles. Beer. I want to drink beer. Share. You share of the money. Great. He's a great success in business. Price. The price shown include tax. Noise. There is a noise. Outside. I took my dog for a walk outside. Boat. We took a boat to watch the whales. I think that's all vowel sound I can practice. Thank you.